Today's fast-moving automotive industry requires components that you can trust. That's why leading car manufacturers trust our rotating electric range as OE equipment. Built to exceed industry standards, DENSO starters and alternators deliver superior performance with enhanced durability to meet the demands of modern vehicles. Whether for everyday cars, performance vehicles, or heavy-duty applications, DENSO's alternators ensure your electrical system runs seamlessly. With an advanced segment conductor stator design, coil resistance and thermal losses are cut in half, while winding density increases from 45% to 70%. The result? 20% less weight, 50% more output, and 90% lower magnetic pulsation for reduced noise. Next up, our starters. Engineered for powerful cranking and quick ignition, they perform effortlessly no matter the weather. With high-torque motors and dependable solenoids, our range includes gear reduction starters for enhanced performance and heavy-duty versions for the most demanding jobs. Our products are built to generate consistent power, compact, lightweight, and built to last, thanks to high-quality materials and precision engineering. Installation is quick and easy, with no complicated adjustments required. There's no core surcharge or return policy, making the process seamless and hassle-free. And best of all, the energy-efficient design not only reduces fuel consumption, but also minimizes emissions, making them an environmentally friendly choice. DENSO's rotating electric range is designed to enhance your vehicle's performance while simplifying your experience. Discover the trusted quality of DENSO.